Just on cue, the sprinklers came on. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, about 1,400 square feet. They put a lot of work into it, and we will see just how much. The gentleman who owned this house was a stone cutter, or he had a marble business, something along those lines. It's got some beautiful stone in here. The entertainment center, built for anything, put the heaviest TV on there you can find. You got your marble windows, marble door, built-in desk made of marble. Pretty sweet chandelier, marble kitchen. They'll be installing a fridge, they're going to be installing a stove as well. It's got a nice flat top on there, but it doesn't have a stove as of yet. Amazing laminated freeform marble countertop. Lots of marble. Two bedrooms and a bathroom back here. Plenty of marble in the bedrooms as well. Marble door jambs. Bedroom number 2. Interesting tile work in the window. Got the sprinkler in there. Sprinkler system is controlled from the bedroom. Amazing shower. Whole lot of marble. Whole lot of marble. Here's the master bedroom. Tile floors throughout, obviously. Gorgeous fan. Walk-in closet. Marble trimmed, of course. Walk-in sit-down tub. It's beautiful stone. There's plenty of it too. Shouldn't have any problem finding the light switch. Let's check out the patio. Got your industrial fireproof garage door. It's got Got a full-length 16-foot patio cover, which is amazing. 3 fans, and an outdoor kitchen setup. Lots of marble. Running water. Stove, or excuse me, a barbecue, or a fireplace rather. Looks like it's made out of marble. May not have been used. It all looks brand new. Stucco trim on the outside. All the stucco looks pretty good. Unit looks pretty good. And the backyard is awesome. It's got lots of shade. Got some poles. You put some kind of patio cover out here. I'm not sure what they used to have. Maybe a palapa. And your RV. Passage out to the street. And I think we've seen everything. It's got a 2-car garage. Can't see much, but there's no marble out here.